Video.
Video.
So this is the Mato tank. Let's unbox it. Nicely packed with all the styrofoam. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, nicely packed. Okay. This would be the manual.
Manual. Yeah.
Okay. The remote is there.
Oh, this is new.
Oh, the previous one didn't have that.
Didn't have it. It was just like that only.
Oh, wow.
This is the 6-channel control, but TK22 only 4-channel. So, just gonna show you inside the this accessories box is your accessories and also your ID card for the tank.
Oh, there's an ID card, huh?
Yeah. You register online apparently.
Charger. Cupola.
Couple. This is your ID card.
Okay.
So, spare track links. This is your mud flaps. This is your charger, so it comes with sheet.
Alright. Cool. What is that?
This is the binder. This is the mud flaps.
Oh, mud flaps.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Behold. Hanse Kampfwagen. Let me get the knife.
Tiger one. You can get. Try.
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 Pick it up.
Pick it up.
9 kilos of metal.
8 over kilos. It looks small, but you actually try to pick it up. Oh wow.
All the improved packing. Previously wasn't so packed so nicely. So. And they delivered really quick, so I'm very happy.
Yes, quite surprising. So you can see the tank is already weathered.
Yeah.
Just need some touching up. Maybe some decal.
Yeah, some decals, some paint job, some
Beautiful.
So let's fire her up. I don't know if I got batteries. So we need double A's.